pa-derive formula dito. So, for maximum illumination. For maximum illumination, the height required is equal to the height over square root of 2. So, yung height na binigay is 4 meters divided by square root of 2. And what is the answer dito? 4 divided by square root of 2. This is 2 square root of 2 or 2.8284. Letter B. The last number, 24. A drawing hall in an engineering college is to be provided with a lighting installation. The hall is 30 by 20 by 8 meters. The mounting height is 5 meters and the illumination required is 135 lumens per square meter. Using metal lamps, estimate the size and number of single lamp luminaires. Size and number of lamps. Assume the utilization factor, yung CU natin, 0.6 and the maintenance factor, MF, 0.75. May binigay din dito, space over height ratio equal to 1. Lumen per watt of a 300 watt lamp is 13 and the lumen per watt for 500 watt lamp is 15. So yung ating customer, for example, binigyan niya tayo ng pagpipilian, pwede kang gumamit ng 300 watt lamp o kaya 500 watt lamps. Kaya kung makikita nyo sa choices, yung answer ay yung answer sa mga sizes ng lamp ay nasa 500. Ito, yung letter A and letter B, 500 watts. And then yung letter C at letter D naman, 300 watts. So, mamimili kasi tayo sa 2 watts na yun. And dapat, alam din natin kung ilang lamps yung gagamitin. O doon tayo makakapag-arrive ng final answer. Siyempre, para malaman natin kung ilang lamps yung kailangan, diba, pinag-uusapan ulit, number of lamps. Kapag number of lamps, that is the total flux required sa buong room divided by the flux na nilalabas ng isang lamp. So, tunan natin muna kapag 300 watts. So, for 300 watt lamp, or kunin muna pala natin yung total flux required. Diba? Kasi ayun yung hindi magbabago. Ayun yung kailangang masatisfy ng mga lamps natin. Using the formula, yung formula natin? For illumination, which is the flux over area times the CU times the MF. The illumination required is 135 lumens per square meter. The flux, ito ang hinahanap natin, yung total flux na kailangan. The area is the length times width. Diba? That is the 30 times 20 square meters times the CU times the MF, 0.75. So we can get the total flux required dito. That is 135 times 30 times 20 divided by 0.6 divided by 0.75. Ang answer is 180,000 lumens. So, for 300 watt lamp, unahin na natin siguro yung 300 watt lamp. Alamin natin, ano yung kaya niyang ilabas na flux. Di ba given yung lumen per watt? The lumen per watt is 13. So, i-multiply lang natin by 300 watts, magka-cancel yung watts dito. So, therefore, 13 times 300. 3,900 lumens. So the number of 300 watt lamp is equal to the total flux required, 180,000 divided by the 3,900 lumens ng isang lamp. So yung 180,000 divide natin by 3,900. So the answer here is 46.2. 46.2. So sundan na lang natin yung nasa choices. Approximately 46. And ayan ay nasa letter C. Diba kapag si 300 watts daw yung gagamitin, 46 na lang yung kailangan. So for 500 watt lamp naman, so yung lumens per watt niya is 15. So 15 lumens per watt, i-times natin by 500 watts. So this is the lumens na kayang ilabas ng isang 500 watt lamp. So 15 times 500 is 7,500 lumens. For the number of 500 watt lamp is equal to 180,000, diba? This is the total flux required, divided by the isang flux, the 7,500 flux na kayang ibigay ng isang ilaw. Yung 180,000 divided by 7,500. So ang answer naman dito is 24 lamps. And nasa choices din yon. 500 watts na 24 lamps. So paano natin pipiliin yung tunay na answer? So meron pa tayong pwedeng gamitin which is the space over height ratio. Space over height ratio. Diba yung space over height ratio, binigay yan na iyan ay equal to 1. Pero, alam natin yung height. So kapag binanggit natin yung space over height ratio, ang pinag-usapan na natin dito is the luminaires or yung lamp. Yung spacing ng lamp, tsaka yung height ng lamp. Kasi sa ating problem, dalawa yung binigay na height. 8 meters, this is the height of the building or the height of the room. And ang kailangan natin is the height of the lamp. The height of the lamp is given as 5. So, ayun yung kinoconsider natin sa space to height ratio. So, the height of the lamp is equal to 5, which is equal to 1, yung space over height. Therefore, solving for the space, that must be 5 meters spacing. And what is the dimension of the room? So, ano yung area ng room natin? Yung area ng room natin from the given is 30 by 20. So, if the spacing of the lamp is 5, hatiin natin sa 5 itong 30 na to. So, meron tayong 6 lamps. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Diba? Ganyan yung spacing. And then yung 20 naman ay i-divide din natin by spacing na 5 meters, which is equal to 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And iyan, kapag pinag-multiply natin is 6 by 24, 6 by 4. Ang kailangan lang na ilaw, ang kasya lang na ilaw is 24. So, between the 300 watt lamp and the 500 watt lamp, ang gagamitin natin is kung sino yung nagbigay ng 24, which is the 500 watt lamp. So, letter A. So, that ends our discussion sa illumination.